guys. So haven't done a daily recap for a while. Haven't done my weekly recap because I was ranting about some other stuff. So I figured today is a good day to just do a recap. I had a pretty clean day. I took TDOC. I'm trying to not overtrade. I may go back into TDOC if it does pop up to 27.8-ish, but we'll see. So I took a small size here, added to it here, just because this stock is overextended, and if you're looking at here, some of the Camarilla pivots at R5, R6, they're very close together, so I felt comfortable adding to my position. Once it goes above that, I would stop out. Price action wasn't really with me as it dropped, so I got all out. I overcovered, so I had to sell back my stock at a small loss. That was my trade on TDOC. Didn't really make much, obviously, just a very small amount plus some losses. I also got out of a swing position on TQQQ at 21. We'll see how this does. I still have some left on my other account. The other two stocks that I did a pretty good job on was AFRM. So AFRM popped up, and it was at pretty much at R4 or a bit above R4. So this is, anywhere between R4, R5, and 6 is where I would like to take a short on. So I took a short here. Also, just there's this wick. Once it hit this price level, there's a wick. So it was a very good sign that this is getting, pretty weak. So I went in, and then once the price action confirms it, I added to it, loaded it up, it dropped, and folks know this is sort of my MO, is anytime there's a level of support that's pretty strong, like this moving average, I usually get out at around that area, and so looking at it plus price action, I got out of my position. I went back in at around this level. It looks like it's forming kind of like a double top if we count this area and this area. Went back in, kind of held it through this consolidation period, and then on the drop, getting close to VWAP, I got all out. It did chop around here, which I wasn't part of, and then now it's dropping further. So it may just go down further, or it may just consolidate around this area. I don't know. I'm not going back into AFRM. So that was my trade for AFRM. I also did a trade on CHWY. So CHWY went up, really distended here. And I have some, orders out here. Reason for that is because if we're looking at the daily level, those are some pretty good levels. If we're looking at the daily chart here, I'm trying to zoom in a bit. I've been swinging CHWY quite a bit, and so these are levels up here where it sort of hit and then it came back down. And so I set some limit orders there. We'll see what happens, but I don't know if it'll hit it today. It probably won't. But I took a short here, added to my position, and then on the drop, I covered it. I was gonna hold the last 33% or so of the stock to see what happens if it drops any further. I was thinking about swinging this position, but I saw that the market was pretty strong today. It may be strong tomorrow or the next couple of days. So who knows? Maybe it'll hit my target up here. So I decided to just get all out. And so that's pretty much it. Those are my trades for the day. We'll see if they hit my my daily targets. If it doesn't, no biggie. I'll go back in tomorrow and see where that goes. Anyway, so those are my trades. Hope you guys do well. Take care and peace out.